The name Accelerated Health and Wellness Center is in line with both of our short and long-term goals. At Accelerated Health, we want to get patients healthier as quickly as possible and also to rehabilitate them through a series of exercises.
Pat and I go way back as friends from our lacrosse days. We played lacrosse in the minor leagues and then boom, hit it again at Brock University. So there's a long history between Pat and I and the dream.
We happened to be in human physiology class when we dreamt the idea of having Accelerated Health and working together and doing something that no one else did in the Niagara region.
Us being from Niagara, that was the most important thing. We're both local residents and we wanted to open up something to service people in this area, people that gave to us and we're giving back to them.
Our first clinic was on Geneva Street. Both Mark and I were treating in 2012 and we outgrew the clinic and we decided to come back to our roots in Fonthill and open a second clinic as we outgrew that so we can service more patients.
Beginning, it was just chirophysio massage. That's what we started with, and smoking cessation. Pat and I always wanted to add other services because they're needed, and we wanted to make sure that everything is encompassed in a multidisciplinary setting.
We offer a wider variety of healthcare services within both clinics. We work together here with other disciplines such as naturopathic massage.
We do offer acupuncture, custom Don joint bracing, custom orthotics,
laser therapy, vertigo and dizziness treatment,
stop Pilates,
disc herniations.
With the occupational therapists that we brought on, they can do the return to work planning, which is important for a lot of people that are having maybe a barrier for returning back to work.
What sets us apart is the ability to work together as a team. Most chiropractors and physiotherapists are working in competition.
As athletes, Pat and I both really understand the rehab process and the mental aspect of recovering from an injury. And that's where Pat really has a grasp on things, is understanding injuries based on him being a professional athlete.
And what also sets us apart is Mark is the leader in the Niagara region in vertigo and dizziness treatment using specialized blackout goggle technology.
And Pat utilizes the spinal decompression table, which is a dynamic type of traction. He's able to open up the facets in the low back and treat effectively and quickly and safely the disc herniation.
At Accelerated Health, all of our professionals, physiotherapists, chiropractors, naturopath, massage therapists, are accurately diagnosing a condition so the patient is on the right path to treatment. Once we are on the right path, then the patients are being worked on by a professional, so we're implementing our manual therapy skills, which again is another asset of our clinic and our professionals. And to further that, we believe in the rehabilitation component, and our patients are in a gym monitored by a professional and registered kinesiologist, and they get exercises at our office and are instructed at home what they can be doing.
What makes our clinic a success is all the staff, all the services. Like I said, it starts with Pat and I's ideas, but it's also the hard work of our staff, our kinesiologists, occupational therapists, physiotherapy staff. Girls up front are the front line of defense, so they're really important. Everyone's working so hard for our goal, and it's making it such a successful story for us.